Spot this one pattern, the inside day, to predict market's next move and trade with confidence. Welcome. Let's start with the concept, and it's very simple. An inside day occurs when the price range of a given trading day falls within the price range of the previous day. And the idea is that when you buy a stock, when price goes above the high point of the previous day, stock tends to go higher. And that increases your chances of making a profit on day one. Let's take an example. So we are looking at the daily chart of Tesla, and I want to draw your attention to price action on September 3rd and September 4th. So this is September 3rd, and it had a price range of 328.51 and 343.33. And if you look at September 4th, the price range is 331.48 and 338.89. And that makes September 4th an inside day, as its price range falls within the price range of the previous day, that is September 3rd. And from this pattern, the buy point is when price rises above the high point of the previous day. And that is the high point of September 3rd, which was 343.33. So when price goes above 343.33, that's when you buy. And price did go above 343.33 on September 5th. So when market opened on September 5th, market opened at 348, which is above the high point of the previous day. So that becomes your buy point. And if you had bought it at 348, by now you would have a profit of almost 100 points. That's more than 25%. A word of caution. You must wait until the price goes above the high point of the previous day. Otherwise, there is no guarantee that the price will go up. So here is an example of what happens when we don't show discipline and wait for the price to rise above the high point of the previous day. So we are looking at the daily chart of AppLovin, symbol APP. And I want to draw your attention to February 13th and February 14th. And if you look at the price range of February 14th, it falls within the price range of February 13th. So that makes February 14th an inside day. And if we don't show discipline and wait for the price to go above the high point of the previous day, which was 525.15, then we can get into trouble. And if somebody, let's say somebody bought it on this day, high point did not go above the high point of the previous day. On February 18th, price went as high as 519.79, but did not go above the high point of 525.15. So if we don't show the discipline and if we don't wait for the right moment, right price to buy, then we can get into some trouble. And look at this, price went from around 500 all the way to 200. So that's why it's important that we wait for the right time. We wait for the price to go above the high point of the previous day. Discipline is very important in the stock market. And if you exercise discipline, you are already ahead of the majority. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.